The U.S. work visa rules, under President Trump, has been delayed by President Biden. The rule prioritizing more money for high-wage earners, and the abolition of the lottery system, for which work visas are granted, are to be delayed at least until 2022. The Biden administration is holding off Trump-era changes to the H-1B visa system. In this video, we discuss the H-1B visa and how it operates. We discuss the delaying of the abolition of the lottery process that leads to H-1B visa being granted. We also discuss the updated registration process and when to get your application submitted. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. companies to employ foreign workers in specialty occupations that require theoretical or technical expertise. The technology companies, such as Google, Apple, and Facebook, depend on this immigration route to hire tens of thousands of employees each year from countries like India and China. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services will randomly select applicants from the pool of registrations. As mandated by Congress, each year, the U.S. issues 65,000 new H-1B visas to foreign workers. An additional 20,000 H-1B visas are issued to foreign students who have completed higher studies from a U.S. university in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects. For the fiscal year ending September 30, 2020, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services received 275,000 registrations from sponsoring employees. On the 7th of January, under former U.S. President Trump's administration, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services announced to do away with the traditional lottery system in deciding the successful applicants for the H-1B visas. They have stated that they would prioritize high-wage earners to protect the economic interests of American workers and better ensure that the most highly skilled foreign workers benefit from the temporary employment program. This rule was scheduled to take effect on the 9th of March 2021. On the 5th of February, the Biden administration has announced it will continue with the existing H-1B visa lottery system until the end of 2021. In an official statement issued by USCIS, the immigration agency said, the delay is to give USCIS more time to develop, test, and implement the modifications to the H-1B registration system and selection process, and to train staff and perform public outreach, as well as give stakeholders time to adjust to the new rule. The delay means that the upcoming H-1B cap season will be subject to the current process of random selection for any registration period that takes place prior to the 31st of December 2021. The USCIS announced that the initial registration period for the fiscal year 2022 H-1B visa will open at noon Eastern Time on the 9th of March 2021 and run through noon the 25th of March 2021. During the registration period, prospective petitioners and representatives will be able to fill out petitioner and beneficiary information and submit their registrations, the USCIS said. The agency also stated if it receives enough registrations by the 25th of March, It will randomly select registrations and send selection notifications by the 31st of March. To submit your H-1B registration, check our blog for the official USCIS link. The successful applicants would be able to join their new jobs in the US on the 1st of October, when the American fiscal year starts. Here is the H-1B registration process timeline. March 9th, H-1B registration period opens at noon Eastern Time. March 25th, H-1B registration period closes at noon Eastern Time. March 31st, date by which USCIS intends to notify selected registrants. April 1st, the earliest date that fiscal year 2022 H-1B cap subject petitions may be filed. Back in June, the Trump administration put a temporary ban on H-1B visas, L-1A and L-1B visas, J-1 visas, and derivative visas for the family members of those individuals. The ban has been extended until the 31st of March 2021. Although the Biden administration has issued executive orders to reverse Trump's immigration policy, there has been no indication as to when President Biden will sign an executive order rescinding the U.S. work visa ban. However, it's understood that Biden's plans to issue several immigration actions have been delayed. What are your thoughts on these issues? Do you plan to register for an H-1B visa for the next fiscal year? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.